In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schwab Premarket trading. Premarket trading simply means placing trades before the regular stock market opens. On Schwab, the premarket session runs from 7 o'clock a.m. to 9:25 a.m. Eastern Time. Trading early lets you react to overnight news, earnings releases, or moves in global markets, which can be helpful if you want to position ahead of the opening bell. A few crucial rules before placing anything. In pre-market, you must use a limit order. Prices can move quickly, quotes are less stable, and liquidity can be thin. A limit order tells the system the maximum you're willing to pay to buy or the minimum you're willing to accept to sell, protecting you from sudden price swings. Avoid market orders in this session because they can fill at unexpectedly poor prices when spreads are wide. To get started, log into your Schwab account on the website or the mobile app and navigate to the trade screen. Enter the stock symbol you want to trade, such as AAPL, TSLA, or SPI, and choose whether you want to buy or sell. Take a moment to double-check the ticker inside so you're working with the correct security and direction. Next, adjust the order settings. Set the order type to limit. This is essential for pre-market routing. Then choose the time in force that enables execution before the open. You can select extended hours AM if you want the order active only in the pre-market session, or day plus extended hours if you'd like it to be eligible during both the pre-market and the regular day session. Choosing one of these is what actually activates pre-market trading. Without it, the order will wait for the opening bell. Now set your limit price. For example, if the stock is trading around $100, you might place a buy limit at $98. That means the order will fill only if the price reaches 98 or better. For a sell, you'd set a limit above the current price, and it will execute only if buyers meet your minimum. When everything looks right, tap Review to confirm the symbol, side, quantity, limit price, and timing selection, and then place order. You'll see a confirmation when it's submitted. Here's how timing works behind the scenes. Orders you enter as early as 8:05 p.m. the previous day become eligible for execution during the pre-market session. Actual matching on Schwab's pre-market runs from 7 o'clock a.m. to 9:25 a.m. Eastern. If the market doesn't reach your limit during that window, the order simply won't fill in pre-market. That's it. Stay mindful of wider spreads and faster moves in this session, and use limit prices that reflect the current bid and ask. With these settings, you're ready to trade the pre-market on Schwab confidently and safely.